In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Zendesk Support as an agent, as well as share a few important notes about this feature. Let's dive right in and make your workspace a little easier on the eyes, especially for those who often find themselves burning the midnight oil. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zendesk account with your agent credentials. Once you're in, head to the Admin Center. In there, you want to navigate to the Workspaces section. You'll find it listed under Agent Tools. From there, click on Agent Interface. Now, here comes the crucial part. Find the setting called Allow Agents to Turn on Dark Mode in Agent Workspace and flip that switch to enable it. This gives the green light for any agent on your team to personalize their interface with dark mode. Now that the setting is enabled, it's time to change your own display. To do this, head over to your profile icon, which you'll find conveniently located in the top bar of your Zendesk interface. Give it a click, then choose Display from the menu that appears. You'll see the option to select dark mode. Go ahead and select it, and just like that, your interface should instantly switch to a sleek, dark theme. You should immediately notice a difference, with a less straining contrast that's perfect for prolonged sessions. It's worth mentioning that dark mode is currently supported specifically for the agent workspace view. This means it might not cover every nook and cranny of the Zendesk ecosystem just yet. For instance, areas like Admin Center or Explore could still be in their original light mode, or they might be going through an early rollout phase where dark mode isn't fully available. If you're not seeing the option to enable dark mode, there are a few things you should check. First, ensure you have the appropriate plan or feature access. Then, double-check that your admin has indeed toggled on the Allow Agents to Turn on Dark Mode setting. Lastly, make sure you're using a supported browser and version. Sometimes, if a browser isn't up to date, certain features won't be visible. Until the dark mode feature is fully rolled out across all Zendesk areas, some agents have opted for browser extensions like Dark Reader to impose a dark theme onto unsupported sections. This can be a handy workaround if you're desperate for consistency across the entire Zendesk interface. Just keep in mind that these extensions might not provide the same seamless experience as built-in features. And there you have it. An easy way to bring dark mode to your Zendesk workspace. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy Zendesking.